there's different what we call streams, which are subject matters. So there's everything from AI, which is actually very strong, blockchain, quantum, things related to quantum, cities, energy, and then one of them is space, and that's where I'm directly involved in, and that's based in Toronto. We have about 5 astronauts part of it, that former head of the Canadian Space Agency. Chris Hadfield, very well-known Canadian astronaut, basically launched the program. We have Anousheh Ansari from the X Prize, she's part of it. So it's really a great program. We meet every 8 weeks with companies. It's kind of like a business school class where you meet with companies, you talk about their strategy, their finance model, their marketing model, their HR model, everything beyond just the idea. I mean, a lot of these companies come in with just a great idea, but they don't really have all these other elements that you need to make a successful business. So we work on that with them, and then you pick 3 or 4 companies that you're going to work with over the 8 weeks between the next session and the one that just finished, and you talk to them and help them with progress, and so it's been a great experience.
Okay. So we touched on this, but I want to dig into this a little more. So you've got these space and AI startup founders coming in with, I want to change the world, right? This great idea. We see this so many times. And that, what do you wish that they would know or have in place before they started looking around for seed funding?
I think that, well, first of all, I would say that AI and space really go together well. I mean, a lot of what's happening in space is collecting a tremendous amount of data from the Earth. And I think the best things that AI can do is sort through data to find the most relevant data so that high-end human analysis can take place. So I think that they really do go hand in hand, AI and space.
More engineers are not going to solve your problem. It's not a technical problem in that sense. It's a process problem. And the time to fix your processes was 20 months ago. And the second best time is today. This is Jason Kanigan, the president of Cold Star Technologies and the host of this podcast, the Cold Star Project, which is all about identifying and solving process problems for space companies, because that's what we do. And you can hear the entirety of this episode by following the link in the comment below.